Joel got home last night and it is Sunday, like 2 in the afternoon. I just got out of bed. I feel really stupid because it didn't really dawn on me until yesterday that it's even a possibility that, oh, maybe what I've got is COVID. And it makes me feel stupid. The only symptom is a headache. I get headaches all the time. Like, my family is prone to like headaches. We always get them. And so the first week, that was like nothing alarming. I mean, you watch the vlogs, I was like, is this just like a little bout of like the blues? Is like, what is this? And then the last 3 days, it's like, okay, well, I can't get out of bed. I feel a little better today. The thought of putting my hair up, I mean, I know it looks like wild and I've been like sleeping on it, but the thought of putting my hair in like a pony or something, that was not, like, physically not going to happen. But, and it's so weird because I don't feel sick, and so but if it isn't COVID, I don't know what it is going to be. But it's like, Bree comes to work tomorrow. I have my workout schedule for tomorrow. The kids have school tomorrow. Obviously, I can't let any of those things happen unless I know, and so we scheduled a test. It's a rapid test, and I'm wondering if we're gonna find the results out today or not. I don't really know.
Yeah, we'll know by the end of the day for sure. We might even know before we leave the parking lot, so.
I hope so. It'll be nice to know. I feel so stupid.
What?
That it didn't occur to me to get tested sooner.
Well, that's because it's not the norm symptom that people are going to get tested.
Yeah, if my sense of smell and taste was gone, I would have thought about it. Yeah, if I had any other symptoms other than a headache, which I always get headaches anyway,
and
this just lasted
the first
forever.
week of it, you were changing we had just come off of a like staunch sugar high, and we're like eliminating all sugars.
I thought I was going through a sugar detox is what I thought was happening, and caffeine. Like, I had a bunch of sugar and caffeine in Vegas, and so I thought I was detoxing from that. We're here at the pharmacy. Nothing like a good old
Sunday outing.
Family fun day. I think the kids are more worried for me than I am. I mean, believe me, I don't want to do this. And I'm really hoping it's not the like whole like up your nose type thing.
She's wishing it goes up to like right here.
Yeah.
Or it's just like the spit one or something.
Yeah, we have no idea. Oh, wow.
And
Wow.
So that kind of scared me. I'm like, that thing is
I know, I was
that's
terrified.
Going up,
I was like,
going
no.
up, that's going up.
I was like, crap, that's gonna hurt.
You got out of that pretty easy.
Okay, so he handed me this huge long stick, and I was just like, oh great, where's that gonna go? Please say my mouth. The kids were like really nervous, and he said only 1 inch, so I just had to barely stick it in my nose. I did it myself, and I swabbed each nostril 5 times, and he's like, okay, I'll call you in 15 minutes. So by the time we get home, we'll get it. My head, like, it hurts so bad. My brain is like tender.
I hope you get negative.
Such a catch-22 right now. We'd like to know what's going on with you, but we definitely don't want it to be COVID.
For the sake of quarantining the kids, Bree only has 2 weeks left, and I would be sad to not see her for the last of her 2 weeks, you know what I mean? Like, that would make me sad. We'll see. Hello? Okay. Awesome. That's good news.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ready?
Uh-huh. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'm shocked. I thought 100% I had it.
I don't know if this is better or worse, because it's good you don't have COVID. That's good. That would have been an answer, but it's,
Then what the freak is it?
what do you have? And we weren't vlogging years ago when this happened, but Bonnie had mono. And once you get that, you are susceptible of getting that again.
That's what I thought on week 2. Is I was like, this kind of feels the way I felt when I had mono. But I also am like, well, if I don't have COVID, then like, it's almost like, all right, well, you're fine. Come on. Like,
well, I mean, I was wondering, like, when are you going to stop faking it? But there's no faking it. Like, she stands up out of bed, or even sits up out of bed, and it's like her eyes just are fully engulfed in pain, and I'm so sorry, sweetheart.
I wondered maybe if it was something like mono or something, but...
Well, we'll just keep taking over and making you rest and relax as much as possible.
I don't know why I feel so stupid.
You shouldn't feel stupid. I think that's silly. She kept saying, I'm going to feel stupid either way. And it's like, why would you feel stupid? Like, nobody plans on getting sick. Nobody plans on not feeling good. And you don't have to feel stupid about that at all.
What I'm most happy about is the people we've been around. I'm glad that we don't have to be like, oh, okay.
Yeah, you guys have got to quarantine as well. And yeah, it's nice that that's of a load lifted. But I do want you to get your rest. I'm going to close these blinds up extra tight so it's a little darker in here. And you take a nice nap, okay? That just makes your head hurt worse. Don't cry.
I know, that's what I was thinking.
My-
I was like, my head hurts.
Well, now I can know that I can cuddle you, and that'll be
Yeah,
okay.
that didn't stop us. I was like, well, if you're gonna be, if I have something, you're gonna have it.
I don't think I could ever quarantine from you, lady.
I'm glad that I don't have it, but
Yeah.
makes me worried why my head has been hurting for 2 weeks solid.
Mm-hmm.
We'll call our doctor tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll call the
and just
family
ask
physician.
him what he would do.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not gonna like rush into anything. I'm just gonna rest until I feel better.
What's weird though is like we've been like, typically if you have a severe headache, 'cause you at least and me, if we have headaches, we can take medicine and it'll start to subside. You go to bed, get a good night's rest, it'll subside. But that's not helping at all with you.
No, I'm
And that's
taking
what's weird.
2 Advil and 2 Tylenol as often as the bottle says, and it's doing nothing for me.
Well, and typically you'll wake up with a headache gone if you've gotten a good night's rest and it's not subsiding, which is why we thought this is something clearly beyond a normal headache.
I don't have a fever.
Yeah, that's good. You haven't had a fever. I've checked you every time. Well, I want you to take a little nap right now, okay? And I'll get you fed something later, okay? Love you.
I owe you too.